In this short video, you'll learn how to use a hierarchy and run cost allocation reports. In this example, we assume you have already created your hierarchy and assigned your accounts. First, choose Reports, then Cost Allocation. Choose the invoice data and the hierarchy you want to use. In this example, we will choose our custom hierarchy. You can view it with or without categories. You can then see the accounts and the charges broken out according to the hierarchy. We have our executive node, marketing node, and sales nodes. Keep in mind, if there are unassigned accounts, they will be listed and grouped on the report under Unassigned. The expanded view is showing the report with categories. This more condensed view is showing the report without categories. You can also talk to us by visiting att.com/digital training. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos in this series.